Hey guys, it's Mrs. Klingeman. We're going to do 6.8 math lesson, 3-digit subtraction. Today we're going to regroup the hundreds into the tens place. Let's warm up our brains here, and we're going to do the reading club has 349 books. 173 of the books are about animals. How many books are not about animals? Write that up here. 349 and 173. Well, we have to ask ourselves, are we adding or subtracting? So we know how many total books there are, and we know how many animal books there are. So we need to figure out how many are not animal books, okay? To do that, would I add more animal books to the group, or would I take out the animal books and see what's left? I take them out, right? So we need to subtract. Okay, so I'm going to draw a quick picture of 349. Please do that along with me in your math workbook. Sorry, I lost count of how many ones I had. I was thinking ahead. 349. Okay, so 9 take away 3. Let me get my other pen. It's just easier sometimes to see the other colors. 9 take away 3. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3. How many left? 6. Good job. Okay, and my tens place. I have 4 take away 7. Well, do I have 7 here to take away? No. When you've got more on the floor, you got to go next door. And luckily, in my tens place, I still have the hundreds where I can go next door. So I'm going to cross out this 100, and I'm going to regroup it as 100 is equal to how many tens? 10. That's right. So 10 tens are going to get moved over here. Okay? I have plenty of tens to cross out. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how many tens am I left with then? Count them up. I've got 4 here and 3 down here. While you're counting them up, what I did was I crossed out this 4, I crossed out this 3. Now I have 200, and I had 14 tens. So same thing when we regroup the tens into the ones. It's the same type thing. Cross out 1 less, 10 more. Okay? All right, so you should have said there were 7 tens left. Okay, and then I do my 2. I've got a minus 100, and then there is 100 left. So the answer would be 176. 176. Okay, so that's what we're doing today, only without the picture. I think you guys will be just fine. So in our purple box, the friend, 428 minus 153. I can go into my ones, 8 minus 3. There's more on top, so there's no need to stop. 8 minus 3 is 5. When I get to 2 minus 5, well, there's on the floor, so I got to go next door. But next door means to go to the hundreds because I'm in the tens place. So I cross 2, cross 4. 1 less is 8. 10 more is 12. This is like 12 tens. So technically it's like 120 now, because I moved that 100 over here. There were 2 tens, 100, and 100 plus 2 tens would be 120. So 12 tens minus 5 tens would be 7 tens. And then I do this 1, and that's 200. 200 is the answer. Okay, so we're ready to practice all on our own. So number 1, 478 minus 350. 8 minus 6, start in the ones. Is there more on top or more on the floor? More on top, no need to stop. 8 minus 6 I can do, I don't need to regroup, and that is 2. 7 minus 5, you got to ask yourself again, now that we're doing some regrouping in the 10, is there more on top or more on the floor? More on top again, so no need to stop, I can subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. And then 4 minus 3 would be 1. 120, so no want any of that. Number 2, 814 minus 263. So I do 4 minus 3. More on top, more on top, no need to stop. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Then if I go to my tens, 1 minus 6, please don't do what my students are doing in class and flip them. You can't flip fraction. If it's 1 minus 6, you don't have enough. That means there's more on the floor. You got to go next door. So I'm going to cross out this 1 and cross out this 8. Leave this 4 alone. You don't need to do anything to that 4. We've already subtracted and we're fine. So 8 with 1 less is 7. 10 more than 1 is 11. Okay, now I'm ready to do 11 minus 6. This is always one that takes kiddos a little bit to think. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 7 minus 2 is also 5. 551 is the answer there, guys. Okay? All right, let's do one more together here, and then I think you'll be good to go to practice on your own. 629 minus 482. I always like to read the whole problem just to know that I'm not just doing 9 minus 2. I'm really working with bigger numbers here. So, I start in the ones. 9 minus 2, more on top or more on the floor? More on top. No need stop, okay? And that is 7. More on top or more on the floor? Well, 8 and 2, so there's more on the floor. You got to go next door. So cross out, 6 becomes 5, 2 becomes 12. 1 less, 10 more. Okay, go ahead and do 12 minus 8 and 5 minus 4, and then check your answers here in just a second. What you got? Okay. 12 minus 8 would be 4. 5 minus 4 would be 1. 147. Please don't forget the step of crossing out. Kiddos in class have been skipping that, and then it's confusing. Am I subtracting 6 or am I doing the 5? Make sure you actually cross those out. That step just tells our brains, hey, we're not working with those numbers anymore. We've regrouped. All right, kids, it looks like, as I'm just glancing quickly, on 4 through 8, you're going to be regrouping on 3 of them and 2 of them. As I glance real quick through there. So go ahead and pause the video, do those 5, and then we'll go over your answers. Okay? All right, pause the video. Okay, so we're back here, and I just decided to work through it instead of pausing it like I normally do. So you should already have these done, so check them out. 936 minus 173. 6 minus 3, I can do it, is 3. 3 minus 7, I can't do it. Cross out. 8 and 13. 7, what'd you get? 6. Good. 8 minus 1 is 7. 763. Did you? Yes. Nice job. All right. 535 minus 192. 5 minus 2. I can do that, right? That is 3. 3 minus 9. I hope you didn't switch it and put 6 and do 9 minus 3, because that won't work. You got to cross out, 1 less, 10 more. Even though we don't have the box there, it still works. 13 minus 9 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 243. I hope you got that one. Give me a fist bump. Good job. Okay? All right, 387 minus 11 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 3 minus nothing is 3. 340. Are you doing okay so far? Good. Number 7, 588 minus 450. 8 minus 0. Well, anything minus 0 is itself, right? So that's 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 5 minus 4 is 1. 138 is the answer there. I hope you're doing okay. And number 8, 345 minus 253. 5 minus 3 is 2. Well, 4 minus 6, I can't do it. There's more on the floor, so I got to go next door. 3 minus 2, or 3 turns into a 2. 4 turns into a 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I can put the 0, but if I'm just writing 82, I don't put a 0, right? So either way, we'll take it. 82, or you can put a 0 in there. Okay? We're going to skip number 9. If you want to do this for extra practice at home, you can. You're just choosing one of these exercises and telling how you subtracted. So did you regroup? Did you not regroup? And then going on. On the back, you have your math on the spot question. You can do, make sure you click on that video and watch it. And here's some number 11 for extra practice. This is something you can do as well. And then when you're all done with that and think you understand and you're good to go, this is your math assignment for today. Go ahead and complete that, and then type in your online. Just regrouping the tens just regrouping the hundreds into tens today, guys. So good luck. The next lesson is the one that's a doozy. It's when we're going to regroup both. So really make sure you fully understand today before you try to move on. All right, guys. See ya.